Sorry, I had to just put something that had come back in stock off ASOS into my basket. Oh, all right, BRB, I need to go check on my sweet potato. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's me, at least that girl. So today's video, we are going to be doing a festival look. We're going to go in all in with the eyes. I have a bit of eye jewels on. We want it to be really funky. That's why I'm wearing like a funky kind of festival kind of top going on right here. The sun is shining. It's such a beautiful day. I think it's the start of summer now. It's been a good week as well. I've gone gym 5 times of the week. Sun shining. Good weather, good vibes. What a better way to start off with a festival tutorial. So make sure you stick around, stay in your seat, don't go anywhere. If you continue watching, you'll be able to see my festival look, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I've just popped some foundation on, and now we are going to prime the lids using the beloved Plouise Base. I'm using shade 4. I'm going to take a pea size and then I'm going to pop it on and pat it all over the lid. Now into the fun part, and we're going to be popping on some eyeshadow colours, and I'm going to be using the Bperfect Carnival palette by Stacey, which has perfect a range of shades, perfect for festivals, carnivals and all that kind of vibe. Today I'm going to go in with like a purpley pinky kind of vibe. Those are kind of one of the colours that I do like to work with a lot when in terms of doing like bright shades, and I think it will go in really nicely with the jewels that I've got here. I'm going to show you those a little bit later. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to be popping this into the crease area. I'm going to go with the shade Wasted, which is the purple colour, and we're just literally going to take that into the crease area. I'm right into my crease area, packing the shadow on. It's nice and pigmented. We're going to use a clean blending brush, and we're going to use this to just buff out the edges. To go with a bit of a cut crease for this kind of look, I'm going to use the Plouise Base, and I'm going to use this in shade, it's the first one that came up, which is shade Rumour, so it's more of a paler shade, so I wanted this to be a little bit lighter so it cuts into the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use a bit of pink using the shade, ooh, Funky. This one here, and we're literally going to take it just underneath where we've cut the crease. We're not going to take it all over the lid, we're just going to pop it just below the crease. Create like a kind of floating liner without actually having to use eyeliner, and sometimes you can't steady your hand or you're trying to like make it float above the eyelid, so this is kind of another way to do it. I'm now going to go back in with the Plouise, and we're going to then cut the crease slightly lower than where we did it before, just underneath the pink. Concealer brush back, and we are now going to go in and start cutting the crease again. Going to go back in with our purple, and we're just going to buff in where the concealer is at the end, outer V area. I'm actually quite happy with how this is going. Like usually if I'm going to do like a makeup look and it's quite like, you know, not just your normal kind of look, I'm trying to do something new. I usually like do this eye first and then do that eye afterwards, but today I'm just going to freestyle, and you know what, I'm actually really liking it at the moment. So next up we are gonna colour on top of the where we've got the concealer to kind of finish off the top of the eye look. We're gonna go with, just want to use one palette today because I want it to be this to be quite simple for you guys. So we're gonna go in with the colour Pink Me, which is packing this on carefully just underneath where we got the pink floating liner eyeshadow. So I want to add a little bit of glitter to this look, just to jazz it up and make it look a little bit more funky as well. I'm going to use the Peaches and Cream glitter base, and then I'm going to go with the Pigment Fantasy, which is like a pearlesque, purpley kind of colour. I'm just going to rave about this company for a moment. So they're called Peaches and Cream. You can find them online. They're based in Liverpool. I think it's such a cool, funky brand. I've followed them for a long time on Instagram. They do like loads and loads of pigments, all the colours you can think of. Their pigments come in like shimmers, ones that are like a bit more shimmery and ones that are quite glittery as well, but you can apply them in different kind of ways. They also do brushes too, and a couple of things like lashes, but they're such a lovely brand. I always love watching like their tutorials and things, and they always play like 90s music, which is a vibe. But yeah, they're such a good brand, so definitely check them out if you're wanting to invest in some glitters and pigments. I'm just going to use a flat shadow brush. I'm going to put a thin layer. I'm going to pop it on top of the eyeshadow where we want the glitter to go. So that's how the glitter comes out. So it's quite like white, but it's very like pearlesque as well. Yes. Pop a bit of concealer underneath the eye area, where I'm going to start adding eyeshadow underneath. Right then, so I think I'm going to do a pop of colour underneath the eye area. I'm actually going to go and use the colour Breezy, which is like a shimmery colour here. And then I'm going to follow underneath, brushing a little bit of Mint and Envy underneath just to blow it out. But we're going to use like a satin colour underneath. Off camera, I'm going to finish off the other eye, and then we are going to complete the rest of this look. Oh, see you in a bit. Back. Right, so now we've got on our lashes. I decided to go and finish off the rest of my face. So we're going to pop a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and then we're going to go onto the face jewels and finish off a bit of lips. Use Perversion Mascara, super jet black, water resistant, so it's good for like everyday conditions if you're at a festival. So I'm going to just go ahead and pop that on. Off Superdrug a while ago, and it had basically just they had a little offer on where you bought a certain amount of products and you got like free face jewels. So I thought, you know what, I think I'll take that. I thought, you know what, it might come, them face jewels might come in handy at some point. As you can see, this is the face jewels I'm using. I've kind of gone off the vibe of the colours in here and just matched them to how I've done my eyes. So I thought it would really work nicely together. So I'm gonna have to read the instructions because I've never put on face jewels and I don't want to like fuck this up. Oh. So I probably shouldn't have applied foundation before, but let's just see how it goes anyway. Right, so I think I'm gonna go for applying it right underneath. I'm just gonna press it down for 5 seconds. I'm just going to apply the other one. I'm just going to pop a bit of highlighter on. I'm going to go OTT with the highlighter. Using Stila highlighter. You know what, sack that. Using Nip and Fab highlighter, I'm going to use these two shades here, which are Rose Gold and Sunbeam. I'm really going to go OTT. So I'm going to use the paler colour now just to intensify that. Pop a little bit on my nose. I actually wish I had like tickets to a festival right now. Okay, so I'm going to pop some lips on now. I'm going to use MAC Chestnut, which is a chocolate brown. And then I'm going to use the colour Hunny from Peaches and Cream. I'm nearly done now with the look. I'm going to be using the All Nighter Pollution Protection setting sprays because this is going to hold our makeup on. It's going to give us 15 hours, probably longer to be honest, because I've been to festivals, I've been to Ibiza and like raves where it's hot and sweating, you're dancing all night long, and my makeup has stayed on. And I actually had people come up to me and be like, Oh my god, why does your makeup look so, how's your makeup stay on? I'm just gonna spray this on all over. Okay guys, so my camera did me dirty and the quality of the video now is not going to be as great, but I had to finish the video and show you guys. Sorry. So that's it guys, we have finished the festival look today. We have gone in with a full-on colourful eye look using Gypsy Shrine for the jewels. Everything I've used today, I'm going to pop it in the description below so you'll be able to see all the detail. Any questions, please ask me in the comments below. Like, share. If you like this video, subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. See ya!